In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage cookie preferences in Trello. Managing your cookie preferences is an important step toward personalizing your online experience and maintaining control over your data. Whether you're looking to allow only essential cookies or want to customize which types of cookies Trello can use, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your settings to suit your preferences, so let's get started. First, open your internet browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be prompted to sign into your Trello account. Here, you can either enter your email address manually or choose a sign-in option like signing in with your Google account or your Microsoft account. Once you've selected your preferred option, follow the prompts to enter your password. When you're ready, click the Login button to access your Trello account. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to your Trello dashboard, and you can skip this step. Once you're on your dashboard, look again at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, also known as your avatar. Click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. After opening the Settings page, scroll through the options until you locate the section labeled Cookie Preferences. This is where you can manage how Trello uses cookies while you interact with the platform. Click on the button that says Manage Cookie Preferences to open the detailed cookie controls. In this section, you'll see four main categories of cookies: strictly necessary, functional, analytical, and marketing. Each of these categories serves a different purpose. For example, strictly necessary cookies are essential for the website to function, while marketing cookies are used to personalize advertisements. Now, you can adjust your preferences by checking or unchecking the toggles for each category based on what you're comfortable with. If you want to allow a particular type of cookie, make sure the toggle is switched on. If you'd prefer to restrict it, simply turn the toggle off. Once you've made all your selections, click the Confirm button to save your preferences. Trello will apply your changes immediately, and you'll have successfully managed your cookie preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.